We discovered a hole on the ground. It's kind of huge.
That's what she said.
There used to be trees there, as you can see, small trees. We're wondering what it is. This one is close to my home. It's pretty cool. I haven't seen it before. Guess I just didn't care enough to explore. But look at this. Over there, residential houses already. So, very accessible. Finnish forest. This is pretty common here in Finland. You go for a mental health walk. This will be pretty easy to access. Yep. There's nobody here anymore. Can't even see my boyfriend. I think I lost him. Of course, we have flowers now. They're starting to bloom more and more. I'm gonna learn to ride a scooter.